Hey guys, usually I would sit on the couch, but I have a little editing buddy today who's just really happy and is purry, so I figured I would just do my quick update here. Oh, well, there she goes, I guess. Anyway, I am looking through the footage of our second California Adventure Day, and I am not seeing anywhere where I do an intro. And I don't know why. We might have been a little distracted. It was Josiah's birthday. So the footage that I am seeing first, I'm kind of going to give you a little bit of a rundown of the way this is going to be layered, because I'm not seeing really any footage of us, and I'm thinking maybe it got mixed into a different day, but figured it would just be easier on me to do this for the time being. So the first thing I'll put in is a picture of our scores when we played Toy Story Midway Mania. So that'll be the first picture you see. The second and third pictures that you see will be of the Christmas tree that they had just put up. It was our first day seeing it. And that was around Carthay Circle. It was like across the way from Carthay Circle. So I'll put those pictures in for you. The next picture I put in will be a picture of Stitch playing his ukulele on the island in the sunset, which was just really pretty, and I really liked that picture, so I'll put that in for you next. And then it looks like I have some ride footage for you. So I have some ride footage for you. I'll put that in. Then I have a couple of time lapses as well as the Disneyland fireworks show. So it's going to be a little bit of a hodgepodge of things. If I can find the food reviews, because I'm pretty sure we did do them, if I can find them in my next day folder, I'll be sure to put that in. She was editing with me. She was purring. She got up when you came in.
Well, she cried at me, so
of course.
She wanted love.
Yes. So I will put all of that in if I can find it. If not, you'll see me again. And of course, you'll see Josiah, because he has to do food reviews with me. But I will do my best to find that footage, because I'm pretty sure I have it. I'm pretty sure. But those are the pictures that I'm going to be putting in for you now. And in the meantime, I hope you enjoy.
Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever gonna try to dip it? It's easy. Just sneak up on them and hump. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Hump!
Visitors on this planet.
Hippie.
Champion needs speed
and style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Now you look like a real racer car. Guida, to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you when to pitch it hard. Get it into the groove. Pay attention. Yours proud.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
I knew you had it in you, kid. Congratulations.
Radiator spray.
Hold down the fort till we get back, okay? These superheroes need to head back to Metroville. And we find that it's all missing. We need to go find it. I have a feeling Jack might be safe in the Dumbbell Factory. He'll probably end up in jail. We're all a lot safer with you here.
Golden Zephyr. Have a real humdinger of a flight.
That's beautiful. It'd be even prettier with the uglies. What? This is fun.
It is. Hey.
Hi. So I did find the footage where we talked about dinner, but I discovered we never talked about lunch.
Yep.
So, Josiah, where did we go for lunch that day?
Flo's V8 Cafe.
Yes. And what did you get? Do you remember?
I got the burger. I got the cheeseburger. It was called. That
And-
was really good.
Yes.
I liked it a lot.
And I got Flo's famous fried chicken. And both of those will be pictured directly after this clip, but I just needed to tell you that. Also, following those pictures is another picture that I totally forgot to include in last vlog. It's a really cool picture that Josiah took of the Matterhorn. My goodness, where it's just blanked. So I would highly recommend them. They were very good. Obviously, chicken is greasy and you make a mess, but you know, I would do it all over again. It's really good. What about you, Sai?
Yeah, I like the kind of classic, like, 50s diner feel of it. I mean, that's what they had in the movie, but that's what they really ran with it when it came to the restaurant in Disneyland, or California Adventure, that is. And, yeah, I just loved the feel of it, and the food kind of reflected that. Like, it's your classic kind of, like, 50s type of food, and it tastes really good.
Yes.
It's kind of what you expect, and nothing more than that.
Yes, and everything with like the music and everything. It's really, really cool. If you don't want to go there for the food, visit for the environment. Like it is really, really cool. But Highly recommend it. And yeah, so after those clips, I'm going to put a time lapse of walking from Cars Land at night down to the Disneyland castle. So hope you enjoy. Hey. So, we wanted to go over a few things that we've eaten in the past few days and we haven't had a chance to actually talk about. So, let's get through it. So, a couple days ago, we did go to Oga's Cantina, and I'm going to put those pictures in for you here.
We got a lot of different things.
Yes. Alright, so the first thing that we got, I'll have pictured here. And that was the Cliff Dweller. And it was citrus juices, coconut, hibiscus, grenadine, and Seagram's ginger ale. It was very good. And it came in a little souvenir cup, which we will make a haul video when we get back.
Yep.
And it will be in the haul video. The next thing that we got were the Batu bits. No, we got the sampler.
And the sampler.
So, Dad Lorenzo ordered the Batu bits, and they were really good. Just dried nuts and beans and bananas.
Yeah.
Yeah, things like that. And then we got the Happawar sampler, which is basically a charcuterie board, and that was really good. It came with hummus and cheese and a couple different types of meats. It was very nice. And then the two we got with alcohol, we got the Taco Dona Quencher, which is Bacardi Dragonberry Rum, Bull's Blue Curacao, Simply Orange with pineapple and kiwi flavors. It was really good. It was nice and fruity. And that picture is here for you. And then the Outer Rim was the other one that we got, which is Patron Silver Tequila, Strings Pomegranate Liqueur, lime juice, and pure cane sugar topped with exotic fruit puree rimmed with black salt. And that was also really good. That's here. And yeah, that was our Oga's Cantina haul for this time. We didn't really record while we were in there. It was kind of crazy. So, and we also didn't have a table to ourselves this time. So before, if you recall the other video, when we went to Oga's, we had a clip where we were in the corner of the restaurant and it was just the two of us and we had like a little bit of space to record. We didn't have that this time. There was a whole other party at the opposite side of our table. So like we had a half of table and they had a half a table, and I wasn't going to try to record anything with being in that close in proximity because obviously I don't want to be a nuisance. So there's that. And the other thing I want to talk about, Saya, is our dinner from last night.
Oh, yeah.
Where did we go?
Carthay Circle.
Yes.
That was really good. I love the decor they had. That was based off the original movie theater that played Snow White. It's really interesting.
And Saya took some pictures, so I'm going to put those in for you now.
Wasn't that many pictures, but...
yeah. But, you know, they're there for you. We both wound up getting the same entree. It was the catch of the day.
Yep.
And it was very good. It was a sturgeon fish with Hawaiian black beans.
Yep. And
a coconut avocado broth topped with, I think, just string veggies.
Yes.
Yes.
It was really good.
It was very good. For an appetizer, I'll put the entree in here for you. And this was our appetizer. It was a citrus shrimp something. It was a citrus shrimp something or other, and it was very good.
Yeah. It was really good.
And we also got the bread service, which we kind of dug into before I was able to take a picture of it, but I put the picture in now for you so you can kind of see what we ate.
The bread was perfect.
It was so good. And that smear on the side is, what did he say it was? It tasted like red peppers, but he said it was something else.
It was like a red pepper butter or something.
It wasn't a red pepper butter. It was something else.
Mm-hmm.
He said it was something else. I don't know. It tastes like red peppers to me, so I thought it was a red pepper something or other.
Mm-hmm.
And we got dessert, and I'll put those pictures in for you now.
Dessert was
They were really
good.
good.
Mm-hmm.
I also got a Manhattan, so there's that picture, and it was really good. For those of you that don't know, Manhattan is all bourbon, some bitters, and yeah, it was good. And I also got an after dinner drink, but I don't think I took a picture of it. It was a coffee with Kahlua and Bailey's and whipped cream.
Yep.
So yeah, very nice.
Mm-hmm.
It was a very successful night. But I have a couple of time lapses that I took for you. So the way that I'm going to put these clips in, I'm just going to tell you, and then I'm going to let them all play through. So we got to see Cars Land at night.
Yes.
And I took a time lapse from walking through Carland at night down to across both parks and down Main Street, USA. So I'll put that one in first, and the next one that you're going to see are all the fireworks. And then the next one you're going to see after that is the time lapse of downtown Disney at night.
Yep.
So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Received your sympathetic vibrations. No flash pictures. Please. As I was treated